Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Something. Today I'm going to cook delicious stir-fried glass noodle with cabbage for 4 serving. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I have 200 grams of dried glass noodles, soaked in the water for about 30 minutes. 3 cups of cabbage, wash and clean. For the cabbage, I cut it in slightly big pieces like this. 1 tomato, cut into small pieces. 2 stalks of parsley, 1 carrot striped, and 3 chicken eggs, 200 grams of minced pork, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, and 4 cloves of garlic chopped. For the glass noodle, when you soak it in the water, it will be like this. So it's easy to cut it while it's still at the same pattern. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the scissors to cut it in the water. If you don't cut the glass noodle, it might be too long and it will be difficult to eat. All the ingredients are ready. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. Add in about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. When oil is hot, add in garlic. Fry the garlic until crispy. Garlic is crispy. I switch off the heat and I'm going to remove some from the pan. Put it aside. I still have some more garlic and oil in the pan. I'm going to switch on the heat and put in the meat. Put in 1/2 of light soy sauce, 1/2 of pepper, 1/2 of sesame oil. Give it a stir. Cook it for about 2 minutes until minced pork is cooked. After about 2 minutes, the minced pork is cooked. So I'm going to switch off the heat, remove it from the pan. Put it aside. In the same pan, we still have a little bit of oil and a little bit of the minced pork in there. I'm going to switch on the heat again. Add in 1 more tablespoon of cooking oil. Pour in the eggs. Put in 1/2 of the salt. A little bit of pepper. Just cook the egg like that for about 30 seconds to 1 minute or until the egg is cooked. So egg is ready. I'm going to remove it from the pan and put it together with the meat. In the same pan, I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and I'm going to put in the cabbage and also carrot. Stir fry until the cabbage is about 50% cooked. That will take about 2 minutes. Cabbage has been cooked for about 2 minutes and it's getting soft. We add in the glass noodles, all the seasoning, sugar, salt, pepper, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, about 1/2 cup of water. Give it a mix. Continue to cook until the glass noodles has absorbed all the water. By then it should be cooked. That will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Cover the lid. After about 2 minutes, see, the glass noodle has absorbed all the water. It becomes dry. Now we're going to put in tomato, the minced pork and the egg, 1/2 of the crispy fried garlic. We keep 1/2 for garnishing. Parsley, keep some for garnishing. Now we can give it a stir. Oh, look at this. It looks so yummy. And now I can taste it. Very delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so, but for this, it's already perfect. So I'm going to switch off the heat This stir-fried glass noodle with cabbage is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Doesn't that look yummy? We still have some parsley and crispy fried garlic. Oh, it looks so inviting. This stir-fried glass noodle with cabbage looks so yummy. Let's eat! Delicious. Very tasty and flavorful. The cabbage is crispy and crunchy. The minced pork is chewy and very tasty. Glass noodle has absorbed all the flavor from the sauce, and there is a slight hint of the sourness from the tomato, and it's very nice aroma of the parsley and also crispy fried garlic. Together, it's very colorful and vibrant dish. Most importantly, it's delicious, out of the world. I love it. It is simple to cook and children will love it too. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple and delicious home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.